So we're going to be walking around the Gateway Rocks here. All right, guys, we are here at Garden of the Gods. We are at one of the Gateway Rocks. Really is the perfect day to be out. Everything's just nice and perfect temperature for once. Earlier today we're up to 70 degrees, actually 73. It's about 70 degrees right now. And if you look up here, that's where the actual kissing camels are. See if I can actually give you guys a little bit better of a view here. There's the kissing camels. So cool. It really is neat to see how the different formations, the different colors, these different minerals, all in the same area. So we've parked and we're just cruising on down here. We're gonna take a look kind of at the center point of all of this and really give you guys a better view of kind of the whole Gateway Rocks formations that they have here. So it's just a beautiful view trying to get there though. That's one of the best parts about just taking a walk around and checking out Garden of the Gods. So glad you guys are here with us, but definitely thought the visitor center was really neat. Pretty good food. Here, check this out. It's larger than life and you realize you're looking up at everything. You should maybe be looking down. Just love how all the shadows hit the rock, sun hits the rock. So cool. You know, you're just kind of walking down the trail and, you know, especially looking through the camera here, just everybody looks so small compared to these giant rocks. Natural entertainment over here to the left. Just jamming on the 6th Street. Nice. One of the other new things that I just saw here, we've seen a couple of dogs, especially at the visitor center, but you can actually bring your dog on the trail with you. You can also do biking, obviously hiking, casual rock climbing. There is such a thing as casual rock climbing. There are trash cans around as well. Nice little just chill place to hang out here. What do we got here? Let's see if we can get up a little bit closer. Garden of the Gods, given to the city of Colorado Springs in 1909 by children of Charles Eliot Perkins. Oh, looks fun here. Hey guys.
They got stuck. They got stuck in the wall.
They got what?
Stuck.
Oh no. Just looked like they were having fun. Huh.
Yeah.
I guess that's why we were all standing there watching.
Oh yeah, we were making sure that we were getting out.
I am definitely not going to go get stuck in the rock. Oh. So they do provide paper maps up at the visitor center, but this is kind of nice that you have an on-trail map. Nice. Oh, cool. It even tells you the name of the structures, or formations, rather. Nice. Cool. Where do we go? You want to go this way and continue back around to the left? We started here up at the parking area, and then we came down this little trail, right? We kind of passed by 2, 3, 4, which you see the formations here. 2, remember the kissing camels. Okay, now we're here. We're just going to continue this way and then back around. And then all of this can then loop us back to here, and then we can go right back to the parking.
Alright, so let's do that way.
Yeah, here we go. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's a pretty long game.
Alright, that is beautiful right there.
See that lighter colored rock? Yeah. That's maiden.
I know, I just could not see it.
And her nose is to the left?
So is she facing that way?
Yes.
What was the woman's name in the rock? What do they call her?
Indian maiden.
You got the Indian maiden. She's the lighter color in the rock. Her face, she's facing to the left. She has a baby on her back. See if you guys can see it.
And she's got a green bush on her nose.
Kind of hard to show it there. There you go, guys. Let us know if you can see it in the comments. Here's another view, guys, of the kissing camels. It's kind of the back side of it. See if you can see it there. It's a really cool formation. What does it look like to you guys? I gotta admit, the first time I saw it, I thought it was like an eagle, right? With the feathers kind of tucked in its back there. But then, when somebody said kissing camels, then it made way more sense. So, but look at this.
You gotta forget the stack rocks on rock at Colorado too, actually.
No, it's the mama rock on, it's the baby rock on the mama rock.
And guys, if you ever come out to Colorado, or if you already live here, you're gonna realize real quick, there are a whole lot of rocks stacked on rocks. This is apparently a thing. So, off in the distance, that is NORAD. The NORAD. That's the mountain. Cheyenne Mountain. I don't know if you can make this out or not, but in the distance, take a really careful look at that formation. It actually looks like Snoopy. Get a little bit closer look at it. On the right hand side, you've got his head looking straight up into the sky with a little grin, and his foot all the way to the left there. His paws just kind of overlap there in the center. Just chilling and taking it easy at Garden of the Gods. So cool. kind of walking down into more of a valley. You look across, you know, we came from right over there. We just circled, it's going around one big circle. Apparently, if you go flipping over rocks, you'll find rattlesnakes.
There's Snoopy again.
Snoopy. It's just amazing the kind of formations that you see and shapes that you see when you look at these rocks.
I don't think the trees come out of the rock. And life happens.
Yeah.
You're talking to them.
Trees in Colorado have got to be the most stubborn trees I have ever seen.
Here, let me cut that out real quick.
Oh, we're off trail. Ah! Back on the trail. So back to the people that were kicking over rocks. There are so many signs letting you know that there are snakes. I'm actually just deathly afraid of snakes, so I definitely will not be kicking over any rocks.
When did you have to loop trail?
I don't know. Icy conditions may exist ahead.
I think we're okay today.
I mean, it's 70 degrees right here. I don't know how cold it gets up there.
Well, we can always just go and see.
Sure. This is the Upper Loop Trail. Cool. Just love being in this brush. It's just so cool. That is gorgeous. Whew. So, I will definitely say that the Upper Loop Trail will definitely make you want to stop and catch your breath. But when you do, this is what you get to see. Yep, so we made it halfway up. We're gonna continue the rest of the way. Huh. Wow, look at this. That's gorgeous too.
Yeah.
Now, is that the Three Graces right there? Straight ahead?
I think it is. Yes.
So cool. I mean, just as you move past it, you can see how it just looks so much different than when you're in front of it. So, just so you guys can see, Morgan, do you want to show off and go up around, or no? But there are some guardrails now, which is a lot safer than it used to be be able to kind of go up and hold on to something as you go around. And you can actually walk up that and back down. So, hey kiddo. And now for the easy part, we go down. But again, trail view. And guys, just so you know, this is a walking trail here. Do want to make sure you're being careful. Just know that in case anybody's trying to, has any kind of mobility issues. It is definitely uneven. gorgeous.
Rabbit. Bunny. Way better than a rattlesnake.
Well, run, Bunny. You might be being chased by a rattlesnake.
And we look from where the bunny came from. Nope. Again, more uneven trail.
Dude, like the rocks are making like steps.
Rocks do make like steps.
I'm gonna help the erosion.
Definitely not wheelchair or scooter friendly. Wow. Hey Morgan. Kind of reminds me of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad a little bit.
Yeah. Getting them off there reminded of Mount Everest.
At Disney.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Mount Everest began looking there. At the actual Mount Everest.
All right, made it back to civilization.
Dude. So that rock on the top of that rock is an eagle.
Oh my gosh, it does. It so looks like an eagle. You guys see that? Does that look like an eagle? Wow.
Wait, check that rock out right there. Still looks like somebody looking to the left. There's a little bush on the top of the rock is its like hair.
Huh.
And he's got his hands crossed on his big fat belly.
Yep. He's got his tongue sticking out, or a big lip, big fat lip.
No, that's just his nose is coming down and then his chin is kind of big.
Well, okay. Hey, thanks for joining us on this adventure to Garden of the Gods today. I hope you guys had a great time with us. Hope you got a lot of good scenery coming along with us here today. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, guys, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Can't wait to share more of these adventures with you in the future. And until next time, have fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.